OptimusBlaze is committed to providing top-of-the-line, industrial solutions tailor-fit to your business. The brands that we carry speak for themselves. Shinken, Liquid O3, Aqua O3, and Signify, championing the famous brand of Philips, a world leader in lighting. Our LED lights are designed to provide energy-efficient lighting for any environment. We perform walkthrough survey, energy audit, and light design to give our clients a customized and efficient optimal lighting that meets international standards. A phenomenal breakthrough technology, Liquid O3 is an industrial and sustainable cleaning solution perfect for disinfecting and cleaning industrial spaces. This aqueous ozone solution is powerful and eco-friendly, which can kill bacteria, viruses, and other harmful pathogens on contact. Completing our portfolio is our Shinken protective eyewear and respirators, which are made from high-quality materials and meets all safety standards, so you can trust that your employees are in good hands. We recognize evolving customers' needs, extending beyond delivery by providing free end-user trainings, seminars, and after-sales service. Contact us today to learn more about our products and how we can help your business advance. At OptimusBlaze, your need is our priority.